Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors: rose pink color, violet color, gray color, maroon color, yellow color, dark green color, plum color, orange color, lavender color. A for arrow. B for bill. C for cup. D for door. E for eagle. F for face. G for giant. H for honey. I for iguana. J for jeans. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. M for mother. N for nose. O for ocean. P for peanut. Q for quail. R for river. S for snake. T for table. U for upstairs. V for violin. W for wall. X for Xmas. Y for yard. Z for zigzag. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Subscribe.